Welcome to the Mini Orange. Mini Orange provides single sign-on solutions for Drupal, and as we know that it is the best OAuth OpenID solution available in market. We are going to configure Drupal OAuth Client with OneLogin. You can download the module from the link below. You can find the download link in the description as well. You can check the installation steps on the download page of the module. Install the module. For instance, we install the module using Composer. Go to Extend. Search Mini Orange OAuth Client here. Enable the checkbox. Click on Install button. Go to Configuration. Select Drupal OAuth Client Configuration. Now select OneLogin here. Enter app name. You can edit login link here. Let's configure OneLogin as OAuth Provider. Go to Applications and select Applications. Click on Add App button. Search for OpenID Connect and select OpenID Connect OIDC and click on Save button. Now go to Configuration. Enter the callback URL. Copy callback redirect URL from here. Paste redirect URL over here. And click on Save button. Now go to SSO. Copy client ID from here. Paste client ID over here. Click on Show Client Secret link. Now copy client secret from here. Paste client secret over here. Copy site URL from here. Paste your site URL over here. And click on Save Configuration button. Click on Test Configuration button. Click on Configure Attribute Role Mapping button. Copy email. Paste the email attribute. Copy username attribute. Paste the username attribute. Click on Save Configuration button. Let's see how it works. Open a new browser or private window and go to your Drupal site. Now click on this link to initiate SSO from Drupal. You have successfully logged into the Drupal site using OneLogin credentials.
Congratulations! The user has successfully logged in using SSO. Mini Orange provides best single sign-on solutions. Thanks for watching.